how to redeem promo codes on Trading212. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So let's teach you how you will be able to redeem promo codes. Now you can find different promo codes from any sources. There are some YouTubers out there that possesses their own promo codes. It works like an affiliate link, but it's in the form of promo codes. If you want, you could choose any YouTuber that you like that are focused on trading 212, and then you could enter their promo code. But to be able to redeem promo codes, what you could do is you could look over here on our UI, look over here on the bottom right, click on your settings or your menu area over here. And as you can see right now, I already opened my promo codes, but this is what you're typically going to see. So regarding if it's 212 invest or 212 CFD, simply scroll down to the bottom over here and you will be able to see the use promo code option that we have under our settings. So simply enter that and simply type in your code for your promo codes. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.